Hello everyone, my name is Hang from OpenText support team. Today I will show you how to spy an object in the Apple Safari on a remote Mac computer. Let's go through the checklist to prepare. First, install and configure the OpenText UFT Agent Safari extension on Mac. Second, connect to a remote Mac computer. And the last is use Remote Object Spy to view the properties of the objects. Now we will go to the first part. Install OpenText UFT Agent Safari extension on Mac. In this video we will install the UFT Agent extension version 23.4. It can be downloaded and installed from the Mac App Store and requires Apple ID sign-in. After that, we will configure and enable the OpenText UFT Agent extension. Go to Safari Preferences, then go to Extensions tab. Select the checkbox of OpenText UFT Agent. Now we go to configure the OpenText UFT Agent Safari extension on Mac. In the Applications folder of the Mac machine, double-click to OpenText UFT Agent. Modify the preferences. 1. General. Port. The port on which UFT One communicates with the OpenText UFT Agent. This number must match the port number defined in UFT One for initiating the remote connection to the Mac. Default is 8822. Mode. Select UFT. URL for new tab. The URL that a new tab, opened by browser.open new tab, navigates to automatically. This URL must starts with http:// or https://. 2. UFT connection. Passphrase. The passphrase that UFT One must use for authentication when initiating a remote connection to the Mac computer. The passphrase can be empty, but a long and complicated passphrase that is difficult to guess provides better security. Use SSL. Indicates that UFT One must use SSL when initiating the connection to the Mac computer. 3. Agent log level. The level of information to save in the OpenText UFT agent log. For example, fatal, error, warning, debug. We will go to the next part. Connect to a remote Mac computer from UFT machine. 1. Click the ALM connection down arrow in the UFT One toolbar and select Remote Connection. 2. In the dialog that opens, enter the host name or IP address to use for the Mac. Optional. Select Use SSL option if the OpenText Agent Safari extension on the Mac is configured to expect an SSL connection. And the last part here we go is use Remote Object Spy to view the properties of the objects. It's the same with normal Object Spy, but we are spying on the Safari browser of remote Mac machine. In the UFT One machine, select drop-down next to Object Identification Center, then select Remote Object Spy. Click Spy button. When Spy mode is active, mouse over Web Objects in Safari to display the relevant Web Elements class and HTML tag properties. Use these details to identify the object you want to spy, and then click that object. The Remote Object Spy captures the object's properties and hierarchy, and displays the information in UFT One. That should be the end of sharing. Hope this video will help you to start working with Apple Safari on a remote Mac computer. Thank you.